Hey guys, Choppers Rule 1 here. Well, I'm in the process of shifting house. If you haven't heard from me for a while, it's a good reason. I'm not going to be able to do videos for a little while until I get everything sorted out in the new place. Cookie's cat rod and everything all come with me. Oh, sleigh rod, sorry. The cat rod's already there. The sleigh rod is coming along. So once I get everything sorted out in the new house, I'll start making some videos again. Don't really know if I'm going to have anywhere to make videos because I don't have a workshop now. Which is going to be a problem, but we'll see how we go. I'm going to look around and see if I can find someone willing to let me use some space. Cheap, I hope cheap. Free would be good. Free would be really good, but cheap is good. I'm in my truck at the moment, just waiting to get unloaded, and it's hot. It's damn hot. It's over 100 here in the in American ones. It's hot. But anyway, we're all getting there slowly and surely. So yeah, guys, that's sort of pretty much about it. Just short, sweet, and to the point today. And once I know what I'm doing a little bit further on with workshop-wise and being able to build some stuff, I'll post another video. Catch you later, guys. Bye.